Hello, welcome back to my channel. All right, that's my friend Nikki. Well, she could have left it on. Oh, then we'll get flagged on YouTube, and then we'll have to take it down. YouTube, please. Anyway, we're at Starbucks. Hold momentarily, I'll show you. Proof. Fueling up. And then we're heading to Wisconsin. Where are we going first? Gurney Garden Center.
Gurney, which is still Illinois, technically, so not Wisconsin.
Oh, so, sorry. Gurney, Illinois. Okay, so we got our coffee. I got regular coffee. She got black coffee, which is not normal. And we're on our way to Gurney Garden Center. I need to look for planters. I need like little planters. And plants. Because duh. Okay. Gurney Garden Center. Dun, 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 dun. They look like they're closed.
Oh my god.
Stop. No. Oh my god. What? Wait, is there an indoor spot? Come on.
Look at that sign.
Unbelievable. You know what? Google. I looked at the hours and it said Sunday 9 to 4. It's just closed on there. Sorry, YouTube. Police, okay? God. Where are we going now?
I guess to Wisconsin now that we just wasted 40 minutes out of the way. Well, we could have been in Wisconsin by now.
They got a lot of pots in there too. So we called another place out here. I won't mention names. And, you know, I'm not, like, bad-mouthing them. But, like, Google says that they're open right now. Like, they're open. And then you call the place and you're like, no, seasonal. We open April 20th. We open April 27th. I mean, talk about throwing us city folk off, you know? So maybe we're going to go to Walmart. I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. We came to Walmart. Let's hope their garden center is open for the season. What in the actual soil? Should we stock up on soil?
Just gotta walk around.
Oh, look at that. We found some plants. I think it's a calanchoe or bear's claw or neither. I don't know. Ooh, this one looks pretty good too. $3.50 is not bad for that. And they're in planters already?
Yeah, no brain.
Oh, really? 73 cents. That's better than Home Depot, right?
Yeah, I think Home Depot's in 94.
Save a couple pennies. Ooh, these are cute. Their leaves are pretty crispy. Black. Oh, gross. Holy, this is hefty. So we just left Walmart. No plants. But I got some 77 cent planters and Twinkies. So now we're off. Where are we going? Wisconsin? Steins. So we're gonna stop at this antique place. It says cheese and antiques. So we're gonna find out if it's antique cheese or if they sell antiques.
Oh, we're going on the scary farm roads.
Oh. It's like, how do you get there? It's a shed. There's cars here. Rustic Dairyland Antique Mall. Open daily. Yeah, we hope they're open. Oh man, it's never a dull moment with the bestie. Okay, so we're here and it's actually open. So let's antique a little bit. Oh my god, I stopped right on Chicago, it figures. Adorable. But then I just picture it in the middle of the night moving by itself.
Oh god. Oh,
Oh, look, Mom. Oh, I might have to get these for her. How much are they? Now that was fun. That was a good time. I'll have to show you what I got. I got some stuff to put some plants in, so I'm excited. What did you get? Oh, something for your wall. Yeah. We'll have to do like a little haul for the video when we get back.
I'll send you a picture.
Okay, perfect. Your arms are better for this.
No, you know I got bad.
Got Amazonian arms. We decided to stop at Baker Street Restaurant and Pub because we're hungry and fatties. Look at those clouds. Ooh. Oh. Well, I'm walking to a tree. Duck, Nikki! Our intentions were to go to this thrift store. We might not make it because we might have to go to Lowe's. Spotted cow. Yep. I don't do this beer. Uh-huh. What is this light? Told you. All right, we finally made it to one of our planned stops.
They're
so adorable. Wow.
This is 19.
Is this ivy? Probably. Tree. It's cute. Oh man, this is backlit like crazy.
MOD, register 1.
It's a Hoya Hindu rope. Oh. Oh, I need this. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'd hang it on my wall. Or put it on the bench like that. It's cute. I have like these coming out. They're pretty. Some strawberries. Oh, it's an upside down heart. Okay guys, are you ready to see what I bought from Stein's? Dun, 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 dun. They didn't have anything. We're going to Lowe's. Lowe's. Ooh. Lowe's was a bust. I'm not having very good luck with... Did I even buy any plants? Oh, it's not bright out here, but for some reason I can't keep my eyes open. All right, we're heading to Piccadilly's. Is this your car? Yeah. It looks like an abandoned house. Store entrance.
Oh, the pathway.
Maybe park right here. It's pouring. Let's go in and see if we can find some stuff. So far I haven't gotten any plants, and apparently I'm not going to today, but that's okay.
Store stuff. Of course, where all the planters are.
Okay, so I am back home, and while today was quite the uneventful shopping day, I had a blast with my girl. It's very rare that we are able to get together like that, so it was so much fun. And we plan on picking another day, preferably when all the nurseries are open for the season. Let me talk a little bit about what we got. So I got this super cute little planter from Walmart that says looking sharp, and it has a drain hole, so I'm all about it. I thought it'd be really cute to put like a little mini cactus in. I also got 2 orange terracotta pots, not anything very exciting, but nonetheless, terracotta pots. Then I also got this old kind of like tool caddy that I'm gonna use to put some plants in. And then I also got this craft little crate that I thought would be really cute with some like 2-inch terracotta pots inside of it with some plants. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but it's cute. I also got this tray that I plan on putting some handles on because I just think it's super cute for our coffee table. I love it. I'm really loving what Nikki got. She got this little plant stool. It's just a stool, but she's going to use it as like a plant stand for her entryway. She also got this planter that's like a concrete planter. She got it on clearance. I think it was only like 12 bucks or something like that. So love that. And then she also got this plant for her kiddo, and the roots on this thing, amazing. And then she also got this thing for her bathroom that would be really cute if she put like a little plant in it. So I'll have to see if she can give us an update on what she plants in her pot and like how her plant stand looks and all that. But anyway, thanks so much guys for joining me in this video, joining us in this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. We did go to a lot of places today, so just let me know if you have any questions on any of them. But if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you can see more fun videos like this from me in the future. All right, guys, thanks, and I will see you in my next one.